Right, somebody asked could I play the Bouzouki I just put up on the forum for sale. I'm not a Bouzouki player, so I can't really play it, but I can do a couple of chords and play some notes on it so you can hear how it sounds. But this is the thing. It's not perfect. It's the fourth one I've made, but it deserves to go to someone who would make some use of it. I think it's a nice instrument. The action is nice. It's nice go-to tuners. Stay in tune all the time. It's a East Indian rosewood fingerboard, brass frets, solid brass tailpiece, East Indian rosewood back and sides, and the front is some sort of very hard pine, as best I can make out. It's all made out of reclaimed woods. I think it's a nice tone. I'll show you that there's no buzzes and all that. I don't know any more chords. Send me a message if you're interested. Not looking a lot of money, just want to clear some space and let someone else have some fun with it. Okay, thank you.